This is CodeCombat. I'm currently working on Game Development 1, the JavaScript version. I'm on Lesson 15, Behavior-Driven Development. Goals. Win the game. Archers should defend. Ogres should attack nearest. Skeletons should scamper. Don't remove enemies or add friends. So no removing enemies or adding people to help. Okay. Archers should defend. We're going to set them to defend. Ogres should attack your nest. Skeleton should scamper. You can now change a unit's behavior by setting its behavior property. Skeleton3.behavior equals scampers will make skeletons stored in the skeleton3 variable move around randomly. Skeleton3 behavior attack nearest nest will attack the nearest enemy. Skeleton3 behavior equals defends will attack only if an enemy comes close. Skeleton3.behavior runs away will make the unit run away. Make sure to pick the right variable like skeleton3, ogre2, ogre3, or archer1. Alright, so assign scampers to skeleton3.behavior, right? So here's skeleton3, so we want the skeleton at 6012 to scamper. Alright, so behavior equals, and make sure to capitalize scamper and put an S just like they have. So we're setting the behavior property of this variable skeleton3 to scamper. Assign an attack nearest to ogre2's behavior property. So ogre2 behavior equals attacks, and get these caps right? Capitalization matters. So they capitalize the A and the N, and it's attacks, not attack. Okay? Assign attacks nearest to ogre3. Okay. Oh. Assign defends to archer1 behavior. Okay. So we're changing up all these behavior properties, and we're doing it with these strings. A string is a word in quotes. Make sure you capitalize the D in this defends, and I think we got it. Wait, so did we have to win now? Oh my gosh. Wait, was that... I did it! We did it! Woohoo! Awesome. Let's keep going.